I love honey.
Blue sky.
Imagine. Babe.
Mm.
Why this time night? Ah.
Hey guys, welcome back to our homestead. Welcome back to She Africa. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment, guys. So, today I'm going to show you what I do when I am home, when I'm not at work. So, guys, as you can see, I'm now busy harvesting peas so that I can make soup, and the girls are also busy watering the garden. And look at that. I'm opening the pods of peas so that I can do things quickly, because I want to go back to the garden and do trellising of the tomatoes. I'm going to prune them again. So that's what I'm going to spend my day doing today, guys. But I'm going to start by making soup so that I can eat after work. So look at that. Now I'm going to start by cutting small chunks of potatoes. As you can see, the carrots, cutting the carrots like that. So I just call it soup, guys. The mixture of different vegetables. That's pepper, guys, that I'm cutting, green pepper and tomato. So I mix everything, any type of vegetable. I mix everything together. I'm adding salt. So let's carry the pot inside the house so that we can boil. Look at the girls, guys. They are done watering the garden. And they said, no, we can't keep on working in this garden. Let's just go and harvest some sugar cane. We have sugar cane at my place, guys. So the girls are eating sugar cane.
So guys, today I'm going to do tomato trellising. As you can see, I'm doing the lines of tomatoes. So I want to trellis the tomatoes. On this side we have kale seeds. The vegetable seeds are here. We have three lines. So guys, this is what I'm going to use to trellis the tomatoes, and the knife is going to help me to cut this. Let's do together. Also, I'm going to prune the tomatoes. Let's do it. Starting from here. From here. Start by pruning. I don't want my tomatoes to fall down, guys. They're not supposed to fall down. We're good to go. Ah, this is not strong enough to support this plant.
Wombea. Good. Die. 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 Mine. Mine.
But if I not said, you know, one day or in one day or in
Tell me that for next 2 weeks. Kanang. Tuga no maraga ediko. Tufung.
Yeah, I didn't see what I'm inside.
So guys, let's drink tea. So what I do not eat in the morning. I only drink warm water, and then I wait till afternoon, or I eat supper all the time. I can eat this every day. Every day. It's not healthy for me to just eat all the time, like 3 meals or 4 meals a day. I don't like it. I love lemon. I remove these. I don't like seeds, lemon seeds. So let's do this lemon in the tea. This is how I do it. Put it there. And guys, I'm happy I have honey. This is my honey. So look at this. There's a bee. Poor bee. Sorry, bee. I'm sorry. We humans, look at what we are doing. Look at what we did to you. So let me just remove the wax. This is wax, this part. Guys, this is organic honey that you see. We harvested this honey. I'm sure it's 1 month or 2 months back. Huh? I love honey and lemon. Then I have hibiscus from Kilimanjaro. And there is
So I have this from Kilimanjaro infusions hibiscus. So this is it, guys. Hibiscus. I like that tea.